In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Castle Movie app. To start, open the Castle Movie app on your device and make sure that you are signed into your account. On the main screen, look for the profile icon or menu button and click on it. This will open the settings menu. Inside the settings, scroll until you find the language option. It might be written as language and region or simply app language depending on your current setting. Tap this and a list of available languages will appear. Choose your preferred language from the list, for example, English, Spanish, French, Swahili, or any other supported regional dialects. Once selected, the app may prompt you to confirm the change or it may automatically update the interface to reflect your choice. After selecting the new language, the app may refresh or ask you to restart for the changes to take effect. When you reopen the app, everything from the home screen to the playback options should now appear in the language you chose. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.